Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Windows system restore point. Before we start, I'm going to give you a little detail what the system restore point does. System restore point can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or unstable. It does not affect your personal data like pictures, music, or documents. It might uninstall a program or driver or change back a setting in your computer. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create one. So first of all, we're going to come down over here. We're going to type create a restore point. There it is. We're going to click over here and then system properties show up. We're going to come down to local disk C, click on it, and then we're going to move to over here and we're going to click configure. And we're going to make sure right over here, turn on system protection, click. If it's already clicked, we can move on to the next step. Now we come down over here to the disk space usage. Over here, it's recommend to use at least like 5%, but it depends on what your computer or disk space on your computer too. You can do whatever your computer can afford by moving this down right here to whatever percent you want to use. So for me, I'm gonna put 5% today. There it is. So they say 5%, and then we're gonna click apply and then click OK. Okay, now we're gonna click on create. So right here, you're gonna get a name. So you can put whatever name you want. So for me, I'm going to put test 1. So when you're happy with the name, we're gonna move on by click create. I'm gonna take like a few seconds. Usually just a few seconds. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So right now the restore point was created successfully. So now we're gonna close it and close this page. Okay, Symbiotic create a Windows system restore point. Now we're gonna see how can we access it. Okay, we're gonna come down over here. We're gonna type on the search bar. So I'm gonna show you 2 ways to access it or using it. So first, I'm gonna show you by using the command. We're gonna come down to this search bar and we're gonna type run, R-U-N, run, and then we're gonna come up over here, click on it, and then you're going to put this command in, rstrui.exe. When you had done that, we're going to click OK. So it's going to show you restore system file and setting. So you're going to click next, and now it's going to show you right here. So you see that this is the system restore point that we just created. So it's create today, and you can see today at 4:44, and then the description is the name that we give him. So I put test one, it's right here, manual. So the next step, if you want to see what file or what program in your computer will be affected, I'll show you what to do with it. So we're going to highlight this and we'll click on it, and then we're going to come down over here and say scan for affected program. We're going to click on it. This is going to take a few seconds too. Okay, you see right here, cannot detect. So which means it won't affect any program in your computer. Okay, we're going to close it. And we're going to go next. From here, you're going to click finish. You see that when you click finish, it's going to ask you when it started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? If you want to continue, you're going to say yes. If you don't want to continue, you're going to say no. So this is how you access it by using command. So I'm going to show you another way to access this. And everything else the same. But I'm just going to show you two ways how to access this. For now, I'm going to close this out for now. And you're going to see how to access like it by not using command. So we're going to come down over here in the search bar. We're going to type recovery. So you see that? We type recovery. So right here, we're going to come up over here and click recovery. So now you're going to see this page. You're going to come down to the second one. It says open system restore. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, you see that that's the same page as we use in the command. So we're going to do the same exact things. Okay. Now we're going to click next. You see that this is the one that we just created. It's the same one. So same things. If you want to know what program going to be affected by this, you're going to come down over here and then scan for affected programs. We're going to click on that. Take a few seconds. You can see everything is the same, but just as I'm going to show you two ways to access this and to use this. All right, now as you see, cannot detect. So we're going to close it, and now we're going to continue. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to click next. Next. Now you see that that's exactly the same thing that happened what we did before with the command. So now we're gonna click finish, and then same things. It's asking you when you start. It cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? We're gonna click yes. Let's see what's gonna happen. We can close this one too. Okay, now you can see it's better. So as you see, it says preparing to restore your system. I'm gonna take a few seconds. There it is. So right over here, it's gonna take at least 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your computer. I'm gonna pause this video just real quick, and we'll come back when this is done. Okay. After that, my computer is restarted, and this is what it looked like when it's finished. So as you can see, the system restore completed, and you just click close and done. Thank you for watching. Bye.